Ready? This is on page 34. And so today we are going to learn a new section, a new reason. Okay? And this one is still about the tangents to the circle. But this time, the setting will be like this. So we have a circle here, and then we have a so-called external point. External point is a point outside the circle. Okay? And then we can draw two lines from the external point, which is touching the circle. Okay? So one is this, the other is this. You can always draw two tangents from an external point to the circle. Okay? So the setting is like this. And today we're going to learn about, this reason, this theorem is about the angles and the lines, okay, from this external point to the tangents to the circle. 好嗱，以後咧見到咧有一個圓形外邊嘅點畫咗兩條 tangent 去到 circle， 去到嗰個 circle 嘅時候咧，咁我哋就諗起呢一個 reason 㗎啦。OK， 我諗起呢個 reason。呢個 reason 咧，嗱，好簡單啫。你記我點樣去到即係去到演繹呢樣嘢啊？ External point is point T, and then the center of the circle is point O. And then I'm going to draw two triangles. Okay, triangle OPT and triangle OQT. And I'm going to prove that these two triangles are congruent triangles. Okay, 嗱，你唔使抄嘅呢度。In triangle OPT and triangle OQT， 我想你記嘅咧就係，呢兩個三角形裏邊，嗱兩個三角形有三條邊，即每個三角形啊有三條邊同埋三隻角啦。OK， 我想你記嘅咧就係邊三樣嘢，六樣嘢裏邊邊三樣嘢咧係好明顯，一睇就知係相等嘅。咁剩翻嗰三樣嘢咧，就係嚟緊呢個 reason 要講嘅嘢嚟㗎啦。OK， 即係咩意思咧 ？So what is so obvious here? Okay, in triangle OPT and triangle OQT. First thing which is obvious should be OT is equal to OT, right? OT is equal to OT because they are common side. Okay, this is the first thing which is obvious. And second thing which is obvious is OP is equal to OQ. OP is equal to OQ. Okay, because they are the radii of the same circle, radius of the same circle. Okay, and the third thing which is quite obvious is that angle OPT and angle OQT are both equal to 90 degrees, which is tangent perpendicular to radius. Angle OPT is equal to angle OQT, and they are both equal to 90 degrees. This is tangent perpendicular to radius. Okay. 好啦，即係咩意思咧？嗱，當然啦，我哋講到咧 triangle OPT is congruent to triangle OQT. And this time the reason should be RHS. Okay. 好啦，我啱講咗，啱 mention 咗嘅，我用綠色啊，就係呢一個定係呢一個啦。common side 啦，同埋咧 right angle is equal to right angle。OK， 好啦，跟住我話啦，因為我已經 prove 咗佢呢兩個三角形咧係 congruent triangles 啦。我用呢三樣嘢嚟 prove 佢係嘅。prove 完佢係之後咧，我就可以 conclude 到另外嗰三樣嘢咧都會係相等㗎啦。即係邊三樣嘢咧？就係 TP is equal to TQ。OK，TP is equal to TQ，and angle OTP is equal to angle OTQ, and angle POT is equal to angle QOT. Okay, so these three pairs of corresponding size and angle will be automatically equal to each other. So I mean this one, PT and QT are equal, and then this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is also equal to this angle. Okay. 見唔見到兩個三角形？六樣嘢，即係三條邊、三隻角裏邊，我分咗做兩組嘅，一組係綠色，一組係紅色。綠色嗰組就係我哋未學呢一個 section 都已經知道佢哋會相等。OK， 呢個唔係呢個重點。紅色嗰三樣嘢就係咧，我哋嚟緊呢一個 reason 用嚟 prove 嘢嚟㗎啦，即係用嚟係用呢個 reason 嘢嚟㗎啦。即係話咧，呢三樣嘢啊，都係用同一個 reason 嘅。Okay, a reason is called tangent properties. Tangent properties. Okay, so from now on, the setting, when you encounter this setting, from an external point, you draw two tangents to the circle, and then you can join these lines to have two congruent triangles. And if you want to say that TP is equal to TQ, these two lines are equal, then you need to write down the reason, which is tangent properties. If you want to say that this angle PTO and this angle QTO are equal, then you need to write down this reason, tangent properties, the same reason. If you want to say that angle TOP is equal to angle TOQ, okay, these two angles are equal, and you also need to write down this reason, tangent properties. Okay, the same reason. We have three conclusions like this. 得，即係咧，呢三樣嘢都係用同一個 reason 去到 support 嘅。OK， 咁你要記得係邊三樣嘢喎 ？OK， 得唔得？兩個三角形，六樣嘢裏邊，綠色嗰啲係自然，即係唔使用呢個 reason 嘅。但係紅色嗰三樣嘢咧，就係呢個 reason 㗎啦。OK。好 OK 咯，嗬。嗱呢度記咗係啦，呢度得唔得？因為咧我覺得咧呢度咧 tangent 啲得三個 reason 嘅做到下。我哋學咗第一個 tangent perpendicular to radius， 第二個就係呢個 tangent properties， 剩翻有第三個嘅。OK， 呢個好容易記嘅，即係好容易知道係用呢一個。點解啊？因為咧你每次見到有兩條 tangent 嘅話咧，就係用呢一個㗎。OK， 有兩條 tangent， 即係嚟自同一點嘅兩條 tangent， 就用呢個 reason 㗎啦。OK。你見到有 radius 同埋 tangent 嘅話咧，你知道第一個 tangent perpendicular radius 好容易分別嘅呢個。OK， 好，我哋睇下啲數咯喎。Let's go to again. Because this is a little section, okay, so I'm going to skip some of the examples, okay, and I'm going to skip example 12 and example 13, but I will talk about 14 and 15, okay. So now I'd like you to try to do instant drill number 12 and 13. So I'll give you 5 minutes. Yes, so can we now do this, do ID 12 and 13? 講即係3號嘅窗嘅，如果你未諗到嘅話，呢度唔係非常之直接呢一題嚇，唔係非常之直接。但係如果你講我嘅話咧，我就會有啲 idea 嘅話咧，亦都唔係十分難嘅呢一題。 睇唔睇得出嗰啲 tangent properties 啊？大家嗱，睇啊。Instant Drill 12。嗱，如果你望到嗰個 example 嘅話咧，我哋都做翻同一樣嘢先，就係咧 ，let us let A to be this angle, small letter A, and then let B to be this angle. OK？ 嗱，記住 tangent properties 係即係個 setting 個設定係點樣咧？呢個 circle 係咪？然之後咧 ，point A is an external point，external point 一個圓形外邊嘅點嚟嘅。好啦，跟住咧，你見唔見到啊 ？AB、BC and CA touch the circle。AB、BC and CA all three lines are touching the circle。你見到我話 touch the circle 嘅意思，即係嗰條直線咧，就係個 tangent 嚟啦。Okay, so AB is a tangent, BC is a tangent, CA is also a tangent. Okay, so AF is a tangent to the circle. AN is a tangent to the circle. 呢度咧，我哋淨係望呢度 ALON 呢一樣嘢。OK， 唔好理 CN、CM、EM、EL 先，淨係望住左手邊左下角呢一部分。OK， 咁嘅時候咧，係咪由 point A？我哋拉兩條 tangent 過去個 circle 嗰度，係嘛？由同一點拉兩條 tangent 過去 circle 嗰度，咁嘅時候咧就已經係符合咗 tangent properties， 即係啱啱學嗰個 reason 嘅一啲設定嚟啦。OK， 好啦，咁我哋可以講啲咩 result 咧？就係呢一個 this angle NAO and angle LAO should be equal to each other. Okay, so that is like this. Angle NAO is equal to angle LAO, and they are both equal to A. And this is tangent properties. Okay? So this part is equal to A. This is also equal to A. And for the same reason, I'm going to focus on point B, BL, EM, and BO. Okay? And we know that BM and BL are two tangents from the same external point. So angle MBO should be equal to angle MLO. And they are both equal to B. And this is also tangent properties. Okay? So this one is also equal to B. So I have a 100 degrees here, which is belonging to triangle ABC, and I have all the information in triangle ABC. 2A plus 2B plus 100 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, right? 2A plus 2B plus 100 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. And this is angle sum of triangle. Okay? So 2A plus 2B should be equal to 80 degrees. 好啦，呢題咧其實有啲難度嘅。難度係咩咧？就係可能大家唔習慣一樣嘢就係咧，我哋有啲未知數係揾唔到出嚟嘅，揾唔到答案嘅。但係我哋揾唔到答案嘅時候咧，即係揾唔到嗰個未知數嘅數值嘅時候咧，就已經計到題目要計嘅答案㗎啦。OK， 我哋咁樣樣。So I will take the common factor 2 out, and then divide to the right-hand side. So can you see that? A plus B should be equal to 40 degrees. Okay? And then I will stop here and then start calculating start answering the question. Theta belongs to triangle OA-BOY. Okay? Theta belongs to triangle OA-BOY. And in triangle OA-BOY, we also have all the angles. So theta plus A plus BOY should be equal to 180 degrees, right? So in triangle OA boy, theta plus A plus boy should be 180 degrees. And this is also angle sum of triangle. But we have already found that A plus B is equal to 40 degrees. So theta plus 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So theta is 140 degrees. And that is the answer. Can you get this? 記住喎，我哋有一啲題目裏邊咧，係即係有啲未知數，我哋係唔需要計到佢出嚟，唔需要計到佢等於幾多，就可以利用佢嘅一啲關係咧，去計到個答案㗎啦，咁樣樣。OK， 即係有啲情況會咁樣樣嘅。Okay, and then ID 13. So in the figure, P, Q, and PD are tangents to the circle ABCD at A and D respectively. Angle APD is 66 degrees, QAC is 72 degrees. And I want to find angle CBD, C boy dot. Is this one. 平身。So we have an external point P and drawing two tangents PA and PD to the circle. 好，嗱呢度記喎，我哋好多時都會用呢樣嘢嘅，同頭先有啲唔同啊。呢度留意啊，打升落嚟啊，呢一個位啫，淨係。PA and PD are two tangents, right？ 今次咧，我哋 join 咗 AB， 我哋會出咗一個 isosceles triangle 嘅 ，because PA is equal to PD. Because PA is equal to PD. And this is because of tangent properties. Therefore, we can say that angle PA dot is equal to angle P dot A. This is base angles isosceles triangle. And they are both equal to 180 degrees minus 66 degrees divided by 2. Okay, and that should be 57 degrees. Am I correct? Yes, 57 degrees. Let me paste it here first. So I just found that this angle, and this angle are both equal to 57 degrees. OK， 好啦，咁跟住好順㗎啦啲嘢，因為咧，我哋揾完呢一角之後，我哋可以即刻揾到啲咩角咧？你最叻就係咩啊？即係 angle sum of triangle， 一係就 adjacent angles on straight line， 係咪？係咪最叻呢啲啊？咩啊？唔係，我唔係咁嘅意思，即係最叻係咁嘅樣，唔係淨係識呢個，即係最叻係呢個啊嘛，係咪？好啦，咁呢度咧，我哋要運用我哋最叻嘅知識。我要揾到咧 angle CA dot，angle CA dot should be equal to 180 degrees minus 72 degrees minus 57 degrees, and this is adjacent angles on straight line. Okay, and it should be equal to 幾多？先129係咪51咧？51 degrees。喂，真係唔 helpful 啊！呢班人啊，由得我死。So that will be the answer. Can you see this? Because angle CAD is looking at the arc CD. Okay, and the required angle CBD is also looking at the same arc, and they are both angle at circumference, so they will be equal to each other. So required angle C boy dot is equal to 51 degrees, and this is angles in the same segment. Okay. 好，呢題係咪容易啲啊？應該 ，yes。等等啊，等等。Okay. Next one。好啦， 好，呢度咧要講一講嘅 example 14，不過好快啫。如果你望一望嘅話，你都可能知道嘅呢個。你打升落呢一個 example 14嗰度啊，因為咧好多時咧喺MC 咧都會咁樣問嘅。So please put a star here. In figure, a circle is inscribed in triangle ABC. 我聽聽先，你幫我 highlight 咗呢個字佢。Inscribed. Inscribed in triangle ABC means that the circle is touching the sides of triangle ABC, touching all the sides of triangle ABC. Yes, so all the sides of triangle ABC are tangents to the circle. 得唔得？即係佢係暗示咗呢樣嘢嘅。OK， 所以你有時咧，你學咗咩叫 tangent 啦，但係你都要學埋究竟有啲咩其他嘅字眼係暗示咗佢係 tangent 嚟嘅。如果唔係嘅話咧，我就唔知道其實要用 tangent 嘅嘢啦。OK， 好呢度咁樣。And then we have the length of the triangle ABC. And the question asks you to find the length of AX. That is this one. Okay, this one. 嗱，如果你望望書example 裏邊嘅 solution 嘅話咧，可能好多同學都知道點做㗎啦。我就咁講一次啊，我唔寫出嚟啊。I will let x be AX first. 好嗱，跟住望一望喎。Can you see AX and AZ? AX and AZ are two tangents from the same external point. Okay? So according to tangent properties, AX and AZ are both equal to x. So that is like this. This is x. And then, because we know that A void is 11 cm, and AX, this part is x, which means that the remaining part, BX, should be 11 minus x. This is 11 minus x. And then, look at point B. BX and BY is also two tangents from the same external point. So BX and BY will be equal to each other according to tangent properties. So they are both equal to 11 minus x. 11 minus x. Okay? And now I go to this side. AC is 14 cm. AZ is x, which means that the remaining part, ZC, should be 14 minus x. 14 minus x. And then I use the same trick. CZ and CY are two tangents from the same external point, point C. So CY and CZ will be equal to each other. They are both equal to 14 minus x. 14 minus x. Okay? And now BC is equal to 15 cm, right? 15 cm. So I can just set an equation. 11 minus x plus 14 minus x is equal to 15. And therefore, we can find the value of x. That will be the final answer. 得唔得？就咁樣兜一個圈啦，叻咗其中一節做 x， 跟住我不斷用啲 tangent properties 啦，跟住相減啦。咁我就兜個圈寫晒出嚟之後咧，最後用一條邊啦，就可以列到條式出嚟計到 x 㗎啦。Get this? Okay, now let's try to do the instant rule number 14. Wait. Let's do ID 14. 2 minutes. Yes. Okay, have we done? And the question asks us to find BR, so just let BR be XCM. 我唔畫出嚟啊，我就咁打出嚟啊。BR is XCM. First, CR is equal to BR is equal to X. Okay, and this is tangent properties. And then, just focus on QR. QR is 12. BR is X. So QB is equal to 12 minus XCM. Okay, and then AQ is equal to BQ or QB is equal to 12 minus XCM. And this is also tangent properties. Okay. 啱啱講咗係呢個 AQ 啊 ，AQ 係 QB 啊 ，and then because this is X and PR is 13, CR this part is X, so the remaining part PC will be 13 minus X. So PC will be 13 minus X CM. If PC is 13 minus X, then PA will be equal to PC is also equal to 13 minus X CM. This is tangent properties. Okay, let me place it here first. 好啦，咁我而家寫咗邊度咧？ Is AQ is 12 minus X, and then AP is 13 minus X. This part is 12 minus X, and that part is 13 minus X. And sum of these two parts should be equal to 21. Okay, so I can set an equation involving the X now. So, so I'm going to use this relationship. AQ plus AP is equal to QP. AQ is 12 minus X, and then AP is 13 minus X, and QP is 21. You see that I can find the value of X from this equation. 25 minus 2X is 21. So 4 is equal to 2X, X is 2. Therefore, BR is 2 cm. 好，得唔得呢度？呢一種題目 get 唔 get 到？嗱，成日都問㗎，成日都問㗎，真係啊！喺 DSE 裏邊問咗好多次啦。咁啊，希望大家呢一種題目啫，淨係呢種題目咧，一見到咧，你係記得係咁樣做，跟住就做咗佢，咁你就可以偷到咗時間㗎。OK， 因為一啲都唔難嘅其實。同埋咧，如果你 MC 問嘅時候咧，你當然唔使寫咁多 reason 啊、step 啊咁樣啦，係嘛？你就咁 mark 喺幅圖嗰度咧，已經可以計到㗎啦，咁樣。OK。Any problems for this question? Okay, next one. 好，下一個咧我都會講嘅。Let's go to example 15. Yes. Perpendicular bisector 係相稱啊，係啦 ，perpendicular bisector。 Okay. Example 15. Again, please put a star here for this question. 好，打大聲落去喺度啊！陣間咧會講多一個方法俾你聽。我覺得今次我覺得咧，我方法咧會係好少少嘅。OK， 陣間，但我講輸我方法先。OK， in the figure, ED, DB, and BA touch the circle at ECA respectively, and then we have ED parallel to AB, and then ED is 9, AB is 16. Part A is angle BOD a right angle. Explain your answer. BOD, that is this one. So I want to check whether angle BOD is right angle or not. Okay? 好，嗱呢個咧又係咯，其實咧好似頭先我哋做過一題咁樣嘅，我哋會 let this one be A, angle COD be A, and then angle BOC be B. Can you get this? Angle COD, so I'll let this be A, smaller than A, and then I'll let angle BOC be B. The question asks us whether angle BOD is 90 degrees or not. So I will check whether A plus B is equal to 90 degrees or not. Okay? And because of the tangent properties, we know that point D is an external point, and then DE, DC are two tangents from the same point. Okay? So I can use tangent property here. Angle BOD and angle BOC should be equal to each other, right? So angle DOE is equal to angle DOC, and they are both equal to A. And this is tangent properties. So I just found that this is equal to A. And then I do the same thing on the bottom part. Because BA and BC are two tangents from the same external point, point B. So angle BOA and angle BOC should be equal to each other. Angle BOA is equal to angle BOC, and they are both equal to small letter b. Tangent properties. Okay, I just found that this angle is also equal to small letter b. 好啦，嗱呢度咧又係我唔會揾到 A 等於幾多，同埋 B 等於幾多，但係我只係需要揾 A 加 B 等於幾多嘅啫。但呢度咧，我做啲咩咧？我哋又係咧將所有角係搬晒去一條直線上邊。我哋又係用我哋最強勁嘅 adjacent angles on straight line 咧去列式啦。Okay, so can you see that A plus B plus B should be equal to 180 degrees, and that is adjacent angles on straight line. Okay, so 2A plus 2B is 180 degrees, and we take out the common factor like this and divide the two to the right hand side. We get A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. But what have I done? What have I found here? A plus B is 90 degrees. A plus B will be exactly equal to angle BOD, right? So I just proved that angle BOD is a right angle. Okay, therefore, angle BOD is 90 degrees. Okay, and that is what we want to prove. Hopefully, 你得唔得？嗱，記一記呢個，我覺得咧呢度咧，你哋會有陣時，即係如果你未學過或者冇温到呢度嘅話咧，你哋會有啲 hesitation 嘅，即係都係嗰句就係有啲 A 有啲 B 啦，有兩個未知數，我哋唔能夠各自揾到佢係幾多嘅情況底下，要計到數嘅咁樣樣。OK， 咁但係你要記得咧，有一啲咁嘅數係可以做到嘅。好啦 ，Part B，find the radius of the circle。 Method one will be the solution in the textbook. So I would like to explain method one, and then I will introduce method two to you. Okay, but I need to clear the angles first. Maybe I copy another diagram here. 好嗱，而家我想揾咧個 radius of a circle 得唔得？咁喺呢幅圖嚟講嘅話咧，有邊啲 radius 咧？ We have OE, OC, and OA. Okay, we have three radius: OE, OC, and OA. Right? You see this? O is the center, so OE is radius. OA is radius. OC is also a radius. Okay. 好啦，書嘅做法係點樣樣咧？睇住喎。嗱，我就咁講，我唔打出嚟啊。書嘅做法我唔打出嚟啦，得唔得？因為書有 solution 嘅。OK， 我解釋啫，淨係。We have ED equals CD because of tangent properties. So this one is 9. Tangent property. Okay? And then BC is equal to BA, 16. Tangent property. Okay? 好啦，跟住咧，我會 let R be the radius. Let R be the radius. So this is also R, this is also R. And for the solution in the textbook, it will draw a line from D perpendicular to AB. From D, draw a line perpendicular to AB. So that is like this. 我哋咧會畫一個直角三角形出嚟。因為大家最叻係咩啊？唔係淨係做啲咩啊？最叻係咩咧？最叻就係 Pythagoras theorem 啦，係咪？嗱，但係我哋 Pythagoras theorem 係幾時先可以用到啊？就係直角三角形先可以用到噶嘛。OK， 所以咧，我哋好多時咧，我哋加線嘅時候咧，都係會錯啲直角三角形出嚟咁樣嘅。OK， 呢度咧就係咁樣啦。呢一個 ，let me call this DF。 So in triangle DF boy, this is a right angle triangle. What do we have now? We have EV. EV equals 25. Length is 25. But how about DF? Can you see that? Can you see that? DEAF is actually a rectangle because tangent perpendicular to radius here. Okay? And then we have three right angles. And the fourth one will automatically be right angle here, which means that DF should also be equal to 2R. Okay? Because the opposite side of a rectangle should be equal in length. So DF should be 2R. Okay? How about F boy? F boy. 好，嗱，呢度睇到咯，我上面有個9啊，呢度。And again, because this 9 is the length of a side of a rectangle. So it should be equal to the opposite side, AF. This part is equal to 9, and whole AB is 16, which means that the remaining part FB should be 16 minus 9. That's 7. Okay? So this is 9, which means that this part should be 7. Can you see that I have successfully gathered all the information in the right angle triangle? We have 25 being the hypotenuse. We have the 7, and then we have the 2R here. So when I set up the Pythagoras theorem, okay, in this right angle triangle, I can infer the R. And then from that equation, I can calculate the value of R. So, okay, and that is the solution from the textbook. And 大概 get 到個流程係做啲咩呢度？我哋將呢一個梯形，切成一個長方形同埋一個直角三角形。OK， 然之後咧，我就將啲直角三角形嘅邊長咧，盡量去揾晒出嚟。揾到數字嘅就揾數字，揾唔到數字嘅就 in terms of R。R 就我哋要揾嘅 radius。最後我哋用不是定理去到列式出嚟。OK， 22嘅 square 等於 2R 嘅2次。加7嘅2次就可以咧列到一條冧到 R 嘅 equation 啦，我哋可以計到 R 啦。OK， 個流程就咁啦。呢個係書嘅 solution 嚟嘅。咁我想講講咧 method two 呢個咧書係冇嘅，但係我覺得咧咁樣計出嚟咧可能會更加好都唔定嘅今次啊。你可以抄低落以下呢個 method two 啊。我抄多一個圖出嚟先。I still need to let R be the radius. R. It's okay. I want to find radius. And because of the tangent perpendicular radius, so I have this one, angle OED, angle OED, and angle OA boy, and angle OC dot. All of them are 90 degrees, okay? Because of tangent perpendicular to radius. Okay, I just mark that this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, and this is 90 degrees. 好啦，咁我寫咁多直角出嚟做咩咧？又係用我哋最叻嗰樣嘢，又係不是定理。In triangle O dot square is equal to R square plus 9 square. Pythagoras theorem。今次我直頭唔開方添啦，就咁寫 O dot square 等於 R square 加9 square。好啦，跟住咧，我做翻同一樣嘢喺 triangle OA boy 呢度 ，triangle OA boy，OK，O boy square is equal to R square plus 16 square. Pythagoras theorem. It's okay. And then, so I also need to find the length of DC and CB because of the tangent properties. DC is equal to DE is equal to 9, and BC is equal to BA is equal to 16. Okay, and this is tangent properties. This is also tangent properties. Therefore, BD is equal to 25. Okay， 好啦，我做啲咩咧？而家我就係揾咗 O dot 嘅 square 係等於呢一個啦 ，O boy 嘅 square 係等於呢個啦，同埋 BB 就係 25啦。你記唔記得我喺 part A 咧 prove 咗咧 angle BOD 係 right angle 嚟㗎 ？Angle BOD is actually equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so we have already shown that angle BOD is 90 degrees in part A. So I am going to use Pythagoras theorem in triangle BOD to set up an equation. Okay, so for the Pythagoras theorem in triangle BOD, we know that BD square is equal to OD square plus OB square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Can you see this? 好啦，但咧 BD 係咪揾咗係25㗎？ So 25 square is equal to OD square has been found to be R square plus 9 square. And then OB square is found to be R square plus 16 square. Okay, so can you see that from this equation? From this equation, we have the unknown R only. So we can find the value of R from this equation. Okay, so let me see. It's 288 is equal to R square. Okay, and then 144 is equal to R square. So R is equal to 12. Therefore, the radius is 12. Then it's like this. You follow? 好，呢個有冇問題？呢個係 method two 啊，咁啊，你哋可以用一用嘅呢一個。如果你明到就得唔得？咁我覺得 method two 同埋 method one 差唔多嘅啫，講真。咁啊，你可以代多一個 method 落去，得。係 OK。Okay. I just want to say let's take a break. But and I have a notes. This is related to you, which is about a big section. Okay, so we try to look at this first. This is about the next section that I'm going to talk about tomorrow. Okay, so you may just 你望一望睇下，你知唔知佢講咩嘅啫？其實冇乜嘢嘅，冇數計嘅，望一望睇下咩嚟咁解嘅啫，知道 ？OK。啊 ？Okay, so let's continue tomorrow. Stand up.